Hi, I was created with Grok. If you're ready, come and see how this journey
knows that Grok AI can generate endless images and videos. And in the previous tutorial, you learned how to create long AI videos with it. But what most people don't know is Grok AI can create full-length music videos with a consistent style and perfectly smooth motion from start to finish. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a 60-second AI music video using Suno AI, plus a few helpful tools. But before we start, take a look at this.
I walk in like the night's on fire. Spotlight bends when I desire. The crowd moves, the pulse is mine. One step ahead, I'm the design.
With this workflow, you can create high-quality, long AI music videos and grow your YouTube channel at an insane speed. Step 1. Create the song in Suno AI. First, we need to generate the music in Suno AI because the entire music video will be based on this track. When you sign up on Suno, you get 50 free credits, and the best part is they recharge every single day. Click Create and use this prompt. I want a modern, energetic electropop track with clean, polished, high-end production. Bright, smooth synths combined with sharp, punchy drums to create a dynamic, forward-driving rhythm. The overall vibe should reflect feminine confidence, boldness, and star-like charm. A female vocalist should deliver catchy hooks and a powerful, exciting chorus that feels motivating and uplifting. The sound should feel cinematic, luxurious. Click Create and let Suno do its magic. When the song is ready, play it and choose the version you like.
I walk in like the night's on fire. Spotlight bends when I desire.
And also view the full lyrics. Then download the track. No worries about copyright. Just credit Suno in your video description. Step 2. Design the character in Google Whisk. Now comes the fun part, creating the music video character. Open Google Whisk and describe the character you want. For example, I designed a young woman with short blonde hair, a leather jacket, boots, and a guitar. Once the character is generated, place the image in the subject section. Now we create several scenes, all with the same character. First, generate a scene with a modern loft atmosphere. Create a second scene with a neon performance style. Create a third scene on a rooftop. You can add more scenes depending on your song's vibe. I've put all my prompts in Google Drive. The link is in the description. After designing all the scenes, download everything. Generate the videos in Grok AI. Go to the Grok website and open the Imagine section. Before generating videos, it's better to disable automatic video generation. Click your profile, settings, behavior, turn off automatic video generation. Now upload your first scene image and use this prompt. She's just looking at the camera. Her eyes aren't looking anywhere else. For the second scene, repeat the same steps. Go to Imagine, upload the next image, and add the same prompt. Do this for all your scenes to create separate videos for each one. When everything is ready, download all the videos. Step 4. Lip sync with Dreamface. Now it's time to sync the Suno song with the Grok videos. I use Dreamface for this. Let's do one together. Go to the Dreamface website. Under Avatar Video, upload your video. Under Audio, upload your song. There's just one limitation. Dreamface gives only 30 seconds for free. But the solution is simple. Split your song into 30-second parts. Lip sync each part separately. Everything stays free. It just takes a bit of time. Click Generate and your video will be ready quickly. Then download it. The result looks amazing. Important: the web version of Dreamface usually adds a watermark and has lower quality. But the mobile app, which I shared in the Telegram channel, gives you high-quality, watermark-free exports. You can also buy a subscription if you want. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure to like and subscribe. Step 5. Final editing. You can use any editing software. I use Filmora. Add your final music track to the timeline. Place all the lip sync clips below it. Mute the original audio of the clips. Sync the scenes with the music by cutting, speeding up or slowing down, rearranging parts. Play the final result and you're done. And that's it. You've created a full AI music video with a consistent character, professional style, and high quality.
I'm the